What's up, everybody? It's another day, and we are back in the kitchen. And can you guess what we are making today? I'll give you a hint. Some buns, but not those buns, these buns. I absolutely hate cutting onions because I always cry. But it's okay. Not me dropping that onion on the floor. Girl, not with that wedgie. If you see me looking like this in the kitchen, just stay the fuck out my way. Okay, back to business. Do y'all ever cook a whole meal and you feel like you don't even want to eat it because you didn't spend so much time prepping and cooking that you're not even hungry no more? Yep, that's me. And I'm guessing this is the part where they say, "Oh, you put your foot in this? Oh, you put your toe in this?" Fingers, toes, everything put in this. Gotta dust the chips off. Here we go with the part I hate the most, frying. By now, you should know what we are making. At this point, I should get paid for prepping and cooking meals, or you could just call me somebody's mother because what I do this. Now, because I only had a small amount of potatoes, I had to just do what I did and do what I do. And oh, look at me backing away, scared of the grease because I should be popping everywhere. Of course, a cute little salad on the side. And here is the final product. I forgot to tell you, I did decide to boil some corn. Corn on the cob, burgers, salad, and fries.